Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I will be talking to you all about one specific app which you must have on your phone. Whether you come to Germany as a student, you visit Germany for business, or you have come to Germany as a tourist. The name of the app is DB Navigator. It is available for Android as well as iOS. This app basically integrates all the bus routes and the railway routes inside and outside of Germany. So whenever you have a doubt that I want to go from Frankfurt to Aachen, I want to go from Berlin to Hamburg, how do I go? Do I use a bus or do I use the railway? How much time will it take? What is the cost involved? All these doubts can be answered using the DB Navigator app. And also, if you want to do international travel, you want to visit some part of Ukraine from Berlin, you want to visit some part of Belgium, and you live in Frankfurt, you just want to decide that which route do I use, which is the cheapest route, at what time am I going to reach my destination. All these doubts can also be answered using the DB Navigator app. The DB Navigator app is not only limited to Germany. So in this video I am going to take 4 examples, and in front of you I am going to search that what is the best route for me in each of the 4 cases. And the best thing is that this app is completely free, and in most of the cases you are able to book the ticket using this app. So now I will see you back at my room and I will actually search for the best available routes in all of the 4 cases. Let's go. Hello everyone. So the first thing that I will do is I will open the DB Navigator app on my phone. So here it is. And now the first example is I want to go from the Frankfurt Hauptbahnhof to Lichtwiese campus of TU Darmstadt. So here it is, and I want to travel on the 15th of September, and I wish to depart after 1800 hours after 6 p.m. So I will select search. So yeah, these are the earliest options available. So basically the first option is of interest to me. So basically this is railway. I have to take RB82 train from Frankfurt Hauptbahnhof, and I have to get down at the Darmstadt TU Lichtwiese station. Let's look at the the routes. So yeah, so basically this train begins from Frankfurt Hauptbahnhof and eventually it reaches Eberbach after 8 p.m. So yeah, this is the situation, and when I go into map view, I am able to see the entire route from Frankfurt in the north to Eberbach in the south. So here when I select offer selection, I am able to book the ticket if my bank account has been interfaced with this app. I don't have a German bank account right now. So yeah, and then I have to select Anzahlfahrt Erwachsene, which is one-way adult. So that would be €8.80. Yeah. Now let's take one more example. This is the route that I will take to go from my room to my long-term accommodation. So my room is near a place known as Hochschule Nord. Hochschule Nord in Dieburg, and I have to go to a place known as Am Karlsdorf in Darmstadt. I have to make this journey on Monday, which is the 30 August, and I wish to leave after 6 p.m. So let me search now. The earliest route is of 18-17 hours to 19-1 hours. So within 44 minutes I am going to reach my destination. But I have to change the bus once. So in total 2 buses I have to use. Here again I am able to see the entire plan. Basically I have to get into bus number 671 at Hochschule Nord in Dieburg, and then I have to get down at Schloss in Darmstadt. After 11 minutes at Schloss only, I have to get into bus H and then I have to get down at Am Karlsdorf in Darmstadt. Yeah. So here also, if you have a German bank account and it's interfaced with the app, you can go to this one offer selection, and you can book your ticket Einzelfahrt Erwachsene, that is one adult. Now let's take one more example. Like, let's just consider a situation that you have gotten into TH Ingolstadt, which is one of the very good institutes, and also Ingolstadt has the Audi headquarters. So let's just say you want to visit the Audi headquarters, you have an interview there, or you just want to visit the building. So Frankfurt Hauptbahnhof to Ingolstadt, I think that also will be Hauptbahnhof. Yeah. You want to make this journey on 1st of October. Yeah. And you want to depart after 4 p.m. Let's just say that you have come from India and your flight lands on Frankfurt airport, let's just say at 1 p.m. So you want to keep a suitable gap, right? Yeah. So this timing would be ideal. Yeah. So this is the schedule. The earliest train is at 16:54. It is an ICE. So ICE obviously will be expensive, but will be very, very fast. It will stop only at a few stations. So the cost is going to be €77.90. Let's have a look at the route. So the route is very simple. You get on IC 723. So basically, if you observe the route details, these stations are only the selected stations at which the train will stop. If I were to take a normal train, it would stop at many, many stations. So this entire journey, I know it is exhaustive, but yeah, IZ is the fastest train. And always understand this, that when you are having luggage from your home country, it is always better to go with a route that has lower number of changes or does not have any changes, even if it is expensive. Because when you have to carry all the luggage on your own, things often may become difficult. Yes. Now let's consider international travel. You want to visit Amsterdam. Yeah. So Amsterdam is always Amsterdam Central Station, and you want to make this journey on the 15th of October, and you want to leave after 6 p.m. Yeah. So the first route is like it is not having any changes there. This is ICE 120. You board the train at 7:29, and at 11:28 you are in Amsterdam. So yeah, these are all the stations that will be there in between. Like, let's have a look at the route details. 1929 Frankfurt Main Hauptbahnhof is the first station, and Amsterdam Central is the last station. Like, this is the best case. You have absolutely no hurry to get down or get on the train. Yeah. And when you go to map view, you are able to see the route that this train is going to take. Yeah. So now let's consider the last example, which is also for international travel. Like, I personally may want to do this in the future. I wish to go to Kiev in Ukraine. I am a Chernobyl fan. So, let's go to Kiev. Yeah, Kiev. Let's decide that I want to make this journey on the 15th of September, and the same I want to leave Frankfurt after 6 p.m. Let me search. So yeah, so here what you observe is that it is a 32-hour minimum. Yeah, 32-hour journey. But in the first option, the earliest option, the issue is that you have to make 6 changes. So in total you have to take 7 vehicles, 7 buses or trains. But the second option is much more favorable as only 2 changes are there. Yeah. So let's explore this option basically. So basically, you from Frankfurt, you take IC23, which takes you to Vienna in Austria. This is the entire schedule. Yeah, you have places like Hanau, Würzburg, Nuremberg in between, and then at Vienna Hauptbahnhof, you have a 1 hour 57-minute halt. You have to go to the other platform. You have to take EC 149, which I believe will take you to a place known as Chop in Hungary. There you have a 2 hour and 59-minute halt. Then you have to take a train known as D1450J, and eventually you are going to reach your destination, Kiev in Ukraine, after like 5 stations. Yeah. When I go to map view, I am basically able to see all this, but this one is only for my last train. In order to have the map view of the entire situation, I go back, yeah, where I am able to see the entire thing here. And now I basically select Google Maps. Yeah, so this is the entire route. Okay, this is the entire route. Now you go from Germany, Austria, I think you go into Hungary, then you basically enter Ukraine. Yeah. So basically these were 5 examples which I have given. And understand that I know you can book your ticket from this app only, but for this you have to have a German debit card or something like that, which many people are not going to have the first time when they enter Germany. So basically the best option is to always pay in cash at the station itself, or even when you are when you have to take a bus, it is always better to pay in cash at the first time, because you won't be having all these Bahn card, or you won't be having a semester ticket, you won't be having a German debit card. And here what I understood is that in buses especially, they very easily take the payment in cash. There is no hassle at all. Even if you don't know German, you just say the name of the bus stop where you want to go, and they will charge you accordingly. Yeah, so I think this was a comprehensive overview of the DB Navigator app. Now, like in the last few days, I have uploaded 4 videos after I arrived in Germany. This is my 5th video which I am recording in Germany. So in the comment section, I would really appreciate an in-depth comment about what kind of content you expect from me, and all this content, how it has been, any improvisation that you want. And also, if you are a person who is only planning to apply for higher education, you have not chosen your country that, you may want to find out how to handle online interviews. I have a video for that. You may want to find out how to write SOP, how to write a high quality SOP that actually gets you an admit in a top university. I have a video for that too. The links for both these videos are going to be in the description. And some of you, who want to come to Germany, you guys do not have an idea about the living costs. So I have made 2 videos. One is about the cost of some general products in Germany. One is food prices in Germany. I will be making more videos about food prices in the future. So the links for all these videos are in the description. And also, I would appreciate if you are able to share, or if you share this video and all the other videos with people who are planning to move to Europe, and specifically Germany. Also, I would really appreciate if you go and subscribe to my channel, and if you press the bell icon, so when I upload a video, you are immediately notified. Thank you.
Couple stacks, do exactly what I want to. Mix a couple tracks, get a lady that I'm drawn to. Turn up to the max, get me faded till I'm gone, dude. I do what I want, couldn't stop me if you wanted to. I just work hard, yeah, harder than the rest. Some people say I'm lucky, others saying that I'm blessed, but I keep my head down.